Sometimes I think it's quite strange where we get inspiration for some of our woodworking projects. I was enjoying a nice warm evening in last night in front of the log fire, and I was about to put this piece of wood on. It's about 1.25 inches thick, about 8 inches across. I thought I'm going to do something with it. It's got a couple of old nail holes in it, and I've come up with an idea. I've got a couple of pieces of pallet wood that I'm going to use as well. I'm going to cut them all to the right dimensions. There is a second project at the end of the video, which complements this one. Let's crack on with it. So this one's going to be hanging from a tree in our garden. So what I'm going to do to give it strength, because the base is quite weighty, I'm going to pocket hole the top and bottom of the uprights. Whoa! And that right there is why I keep my fingers well away from area that the nail's going to go into. That's shot out at an angle. I'll pull that through, put another one in, but you're not going to see it, but that would have been quite nasty. So quite a lot of glue. Okay. These are the same size heads, but these are in 40mm. I think I just nailed that on like that. Cutting some slats here to create a lip for the base. That's this one built. Nice easy build. Couple of key points. I haven't stained the inside of the feeding area. Morel stain is not safe for birds to ingest, so I've left that clear. So you need to leave this for a couple of 3 days because the degassing process can be quite harmful to birds. So other than that, it's a nice easy build. I'm going to do something now that complements this and can go on the tree next to it. It's a bit fiddly changing the sizes on this dowel maker, and you have to go down each one individually, and I'm going all the way down to 9mm. This old pine snap's really easy in this machine. I managed to do it twice, just doing 2 dowels. But you just stick it back in the drill and go again. You get the idea. I'm just going to take this down to, I think I go to 9mm, and then with a wiggling about an 8mm thing. I'm just making a couple of perches. But I'll crack on with this off camera and come back when they're done. Right, so what I'm going to do is I've got little bits that go on here just to represent a roof slightly. I'm going to drill a couple of 8.5mm holes for the perches and a hole for hanging, and then I'll give everything a sand over and it'll be done. There we go, 2 really simple, straightforward projects. This one's great for keeping the big birds off so that the songbirds can get the food they so desperately need at this time of year. This one's just an easy hang, bit of rope through the hole, suspend it from any branch, some feeders so they can get on there. I'm going to put a fat ball with a seed right the way through it for the bottom so that they get some much needed energy and some seed. And that's it. This one hasn't been finished because I'm going to get some bird friendly finish for that. If you want more easy beginner projects that you can build at home, check out this link right here. I think that'll do.